Most of you who are familiar with prehistoric reptiles are probably somewhat familiar with the Nothosaurus. This marine reptile lived in the Triassic period for almost 40 million years. It's unknown as to when Ingen cloned the Nothosaurus, but many people suspect that they used a lot of crocodilians to fill in the gaps in the genome. The biggest indicator of the croc origin is the skull. The original is much more flat than this Ingen clone. Speaking of crocodilians, one thing that's pretty notable about the Nothosaurus is its presence in the real world now. This animal seems to be invading upon alligator spaces in Florida and Louisiana, taking up their role in the environment, making this creature a very deadly invasive species. Funnily enough, there's actually a group of Florida civilians who decided to take matters into their own hands with this and start a sort of crusade against the Nothosaurs that are invading Florida. And out of the 20 or 30 Nothosaurs that are suspected to be in Florida, it's confirmed that they've gotten rid of at least 2 of them. At least one by safe means, the other by not so safe means, if you get my drift. However, Florida authorities are actively trying to stop this from happening. However, the Nothosauruses also have it somewhat covered themselves, as while they are quite small animals compared to most other Ingen species, the Nothosaurs are not an easy pushover. In one specific instance in Georgia, a man got too close to a Nothosaurus, to which it then tore off his arm. And this is not the only instance this has happened. This has actually happened to at least 5 different people over the span of whenever Nothosaurus has been out. It's actually gotten so bad that this is named as one of the top 5 deadliest prehistoric animals that is now out in the public. Despite the fearsome reputation, though, the Colorado Dinosaur Preserve and other organizations are trying to make efforts to gather as many of them as they possibly can. The Colorado Dinosaur Preserve has also managed to capture at least 10 of them and rehabilitate them. This specific specimen that we're seeing right now, they have nicknamed Darcy. And since they've been there, they've mostly been pretty peaceful with most of the other dinosaurs. Although notably, it's been seen that Nothosauruses particularly like to hunt gallimimuses. No one is really sure why this happens, although many people speculate it's because gallimimuses are probably the easiest source of food there. But that is not to say that Nothosaurs are bad hunters at all. The Nothosaurus's jaw can open up to 3 feet wide, which is more than most any other small animal that we've known Ingen to create. To give you an idea of how good of a predator that makes Nothosaurus, if at least 2 of them were to attack a larger theropod, let's say a Ceratosaurus, they would probably be able to take it down without much trouble. Thankfully though, Nothosauruses are solitary creatures. They don't hunt in any form of a pack. And that's about all we have on the Nothosaurus. This very interesting species of reptile is probably one that a lot of you are somewhat familiar with. And because of that, we thought that an Ingen dinosaur profile on it would probably be pretty good, even though it's technically not a dinosaur. Next time we'll be on the hunt for something a little bit bigger. But until then, if something chases you, run.